Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video we will see a new function called as a dimensionality, and we will see how this function we can use to distinguish different lines of a pivot table. So first of all we will see the syntax of this function. So as per the Qlik Help file, dimensionality is a chart function and it will return the number of dimension for the current row. That means wherever we are calling this function, on that row what is the number of dimensions. If we use this function in a pivot table, then it will give you the similar result, but it will only count the number of dimension columns which are having non-aggregation content. This look little bit confusing, but we will see the result of dimensionality function by example, and later on we will implement this function in a pivot table. So I will first create a table and I will add country as my dimension, and I will say sales, sum of sales as my measure. I will give label name sales, and then here number formatting is this, and I will also add another measure. I will say profit, and similar to sales I will also add label as profit and number with 0 decimal. Now let's implement dimensionality function here. Please note down that dimensionality you have to use only as a measure, not as a dimension. If I will use dimensionality here as a dimension, it will not work. So I will add dimensionality as a measure, and let's see the end result. We are getting 2 here. 2 means for the current row, means this row, we have 2 different dimensions. But you can see that we have only used country. But don't forget that dimensionality is also used as a dimension. So if I will remove this dimensionality, then we will get result as 1. But note down that for totals we are getting dimensionality as 0. Now let's add one more dimension here. So I will add category here. So now you can see we are getting 2. If I will add customer as well, then now I will get 3. And so on. So dimensionality returns the number of dimension for the current row, means the row where it is called. Now let's implement the similar stuff in pivot table. So what I will do, I will remove category, customer, I will keep country, sales and profit, and I'm gonna convert this table to pivot table. And what I will do, I will say here fully expanded, and indent row I will untick. As soon as I will call here dimensionality, what result we will get? It will be the similar result which we are getting in trade table. Now let me add order here. Now you can see that we are getting 2 here. So for this row we have 2 different dimensions, non-aggregated dimensions. So for this row we have Australia and then order year, means country and order year. What will happen if I will move order year from rows to column? Now I will get 1, because for this row we have only 1 dimension. Now let me add order month as well, and I will move order month here. Still we are getting 1 because we have only country dimension here. But if I will move order year to row and order month also as a row, then we are getting 3, because now we have country, order year and order month. I will remove order month, and now if I will take show total, and also I will take show total for order year. So now we are getting totals for the country and totals for our sales and profit. When we are using the pivot table as a fully expanded, we can see the total, but it is difficult to distinguish between different lines total. So it is better to use different color which will show you the total for overall sales and profit, total of sales and profit for country, and total for your order year. How to do that? We can use dimensionality function here. Wherever the dimensionality is 0, that means it is line for the total sales and total profit. Wherever the dimensionality is 1, it will show you the total of total sales and total profit for country. And where the dimensionality is 2, you can get the total by order year. So using this, we can write something like this. I can add here one more measure, and I will say if dimensionality equal to 0, then show me this color. And I will close the bracket. So you can see we are getting answer for only where the dimensionality is 0. Same way I can write for dimensionality equal to 1, and I will say has 138808. You can write any color of your choice, and here now we will get color code for our dimensionality 0 and 1 both. And for 2, I can do similar thing, and I can say here show me color as this when the dimensionality is 2. And now this expression I can copy and create a variable. So I will say v color by dimensionality, and here I will paste it, and this variable I can use in my sales, and in a background color I will say v color by dimensionality. I will copy this. The same I will implement everywhere. So for country, for order year, for profit, and now I don't need dimensionality and this if statement. So now you can see we are getting different color for different row, for different total based on dimensionality. Hope you like this video. In the next video, I will cover how to use secondary dimensionality. Till then, thanks and have a great day.